Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm still on a bit of a bathroom buzz at the moment because this week I made my very own Bath Caddy. Is that what it's called? Like a bath tray. You might have seen my budget mini bathroom makeover 2 weeks ago, but I felt like my bathtub was kind of missing something, so I made my very own Bath Caddy. So I used some wood that I had out in the garden and it was left over from the builders when I had my window installed upstairs. And like any old crafter, I didn't want to throw this wood out because I was like, I think I could use it for something. I have been getting a bit braver at using the power tools, and I actually got a new drill. My payday treat was a new drill, so I had to go at making one of these myself. Mine is a really simple Bath Caddy. There is fancy ones where you have like slots for your phone, for your wine glass. I just kept mine really simple because, to be honest, I don't have the fancy tools to be doing any of that. So if you want to make one for yourself, just to sit the likes of your like soap stuff, your bathroom treats, your glass of wine, this is an easy one for you. So let's get into the video and I will show you how I made my Bath Caddy. So the first thing I did was I measured the plank of wood against the bathtub just to see how long I wanted it to be. I just marked it, and then using a saw I cut it to size. I used a hand saw, but you can use an electric jigsaw, whatever is handy. I then cut 2 smaller pieces of wood, and these are to stop your Bath Caddy from slipping and sliding and falling into your bathtub. I then used some trusty Gorilla Glue to glue the wood together. You can use any wood glue. The reason why I used wood glue was because my drill bit, I didn't have a nail long enough to drill it together. I then just used my palm sander and I used a really coarse sandpaper to start with, and then I used a finer grit sandpaper to finish off. I wanted to make it really smooth because my plank of wood it's almost like a sleeper type of wood, so I wanted it to be really, really smooth. To get the whitewash paint effect on my Bath Caddy, I mixed half chalk paint, half water, and I simply washed it onto the wood using a brush, then wiped away the paint using a rag. And it will take you a few goes to get this how you wanted it. So I just kept building up the paint until I got the kind of desired effect that I wanted. So I added some handles to the end of my piece to make it easier for it to lift. I couldn't find any nice handles, so I got these little knobs from TK Maxx. I then got to use my new drill, which I was very pleased with, and I just measured out some holes and drilled a hole, and then I added my knob. To seal my piece and protect it from moisture, I used I can't pronounce this, polyethylene finishing spray. Make sure your piece is fully dry before you use this, and then I sprayed this on. I gave it 2 coats to fully seal it and I allowed it to dry. my version and my take on a bath caddy or bath tray. As you can see, I whitewashed mine because it actually matches. I'll pop in a clip in here. It matches my mirror. So basically I've used that whitewash effect on my kitchen table. So I like the detail and the character in the wood, so I didn't want to hide it, but I just wanted to kind of blend it in with my decor. So whitewashing is like a fun kind of paint effect, and you can build it up or you can basically have it as little or as much as you want. It took me a few times to get mine the kind of colour that I wanted. Do be patient, and also please make sure you let it dry, because when you whitewash, obviously it's a lot of water. Let it fully dry a good couple of hours, because if you seal it too soon, you will trap in moisture and it can go mouldy. So I had fun styling around with a few little things. I purposely didn't put my phone on the tray because personally I think phones are everywhere nowadays. If I'm having a bath, it's a phone free zone. Put on the radio, I mean, if you want a podcast but don't have the phone in the bath, you want to relax. My cute little wicker love heart tray, that is from the range, as well as some of the other kind of soapy bits like the likes of the massager and stuff. That is all from the range. And then some of the other bits that's on the bath caddy you will have seen from, I think I had I had a home or haul video like 3 videos ago. You can check that out. So that is it for this week, guys. If you are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. You can also catch me over on Instagram. I will pop my handle here. And I'll catch you all in next week's video. Bye everyone.